the Fabric and Carpet Care Kit. So this kit is designed to deal with anything fabric, carpet, Alcantara, any sort of soft material in your interior. Within this kit, we've included 10 interior towels. This is more than enough to do an entire interior detail, and these towels are super durable. You can wash them and reuse them 100 times and they'll still be good to go. We have Sonax Alcantara cleaner if you have Alcantara in your car. Koshikemi's Freshen Up. So this is actually a Febreze-like product. It is a deodorizer and it leaves a fresh scent behind. And then our Express Interior Cleaner by P&S. This is for cleaning any deeply embedded stains, any dirt marks, anything like that. This is your actual cleaner that you will be spraying onto the surface of the carpets. We also included a color lock cleaning brush. The bristles on here are the perfect thickness or stiffness for cleaning carpets without damaging them. You can be fairly aggressive with this brush and you still won't pull any of the fibers out. So we curated and built this kit specifically for use with fabrics and carpets, as these are the 3 chemicals and the accessories that are basically a necessity for doing those. But there is quite a bit of overlap in this kit. The interior cleaner can be used on many other surfaces. The interior towels are good for anything in your interior, and the color lock brush is something that I find myself reaching for quite a bit for many different tasks. Obviously this kit works well with other kits such as the leather cleaning kit, things like that, and it's a great start to build off of.